here. You guys know me as Mr. Hair Art, owner of the Shops and Salons Network, the Hair Art Network, and the new Mobile Salon Network. Today we're going to be going over the hair art and the mobile salon schools. We have the two schools that are both online and physical schools. We have the buildings that you would actually go to once you complete the online portion of the school. So let's go through the online portion first, and then we'll move on from there. You can go to www.hairartschool.com, or you can go to www.mobilesalonschool.com. Both of them are going to lead here, so they're all under the same umbrella, but whichever one you're going to be signing up for, that's where you'll go. Okay, so here you have a breakdown of what you're going to be looking at once you sign up. Sign up and enroll here. At the top you have your all courses. We'll go into that in just a moment. Sign up and enroll, contact us, and your dashboard. The dashboard is where you'll be when you sign up and you're actually in, and you'll be going to the different courses. All right, so right now we have the two schools, and we are running a deal. We've got a special going on right now. For the first 100 students, you're going to be able to sign up for one or the other school. Okay, so both of the schools are $1,000. So whichever one you sign up for, if you sign up for the Mobile Salon School for the $1,000, or if you sign up for the Hair Art School for the $1,000, whichever one you sign up for, you will get the other one for free. That's right. So you can see here it says the good news is we're running a special right now for the first 100 people that sign up, enroll, and pay their for the $1,000 Mobile Salon School. We will give you the $1,000 Hair Art School for free. That's absolutely correct. We'll clear your account so you'll be able to log into either one. So you can't beat that deal, guys, ladies and gentlemen. If you sign up for one school, you'll get the other one free. That's basically say you're making, that's $1,000 that you're saving, or that you're making because you're getting into the school. Okay, so we got a breakdown of the two different schools here: Hair Art School, Mobile Salon School. What all you're going to be getting, you can go through that at your leisure. And remember, these websites change. We upgrade them all the time. Okay, all the time. So it changes constantly. When we get new information in, have new content and things that happen in the industry, because it's changing all the time. We update it and bring it into the school. So this is going to be your first location to get up-to-date information about what's happening in the schools or in the industry, the mobile salon industry or the hair art industry. Okay, so we do have financing. That's right, we got financing now. We just got it yesterday. We just got financing installed in our business and for the schools for the Mr. Hair Art product. So if you go to MrHairArt.com, you can buy your Hair Art Stencil kits, the stencils. You can even pay for the school itself. You can pay for the $1,000 that it costs to go to school. You can actually finance it by going on to MrHairArt.com and filling in your information, and you can basically find the school from there. So, and I'll go through that in another email or in another video and show you how that works. Enroll here, pay here. That's where we'll go in just a second. Some of the shots of our activities and what we do in the school, everything that has to do with art, hair, classes, teaching, a whole bunch of different stuff you guys are going to be exposed to and be able to enjoy when you sign up for this course and this whole setup. All right, scrolling on down, we got some videos here that show you about what you'll learn through the Hair Art School, and as well as what you'll learn going through the Mobile Salon School. It's a bunch of stuff here, people. You do not want to miss out on the education that we're providing through this school. There is a money-back guarantee. Once you go through the school, you actually, as long as you hit all the points that you need to hit, if you're not satisfied at the end of the course, we will refund your money if there's any problems or discussions. We've never had to do that, but we do have that here. Our courses, we got a lot of different courses. As you can see, there's videos, there's quizzes, surveys, multimedia presentations, there's text documents, PDF documents, there's Q&A questions, there's a bunch of different stuff, audio books, downloads, presentation, there's tons of stuff, over 170 hours worth of stuff that you'll go through within each of the two different schools. So you're not going to run out of information coming through here. Read through all of this, people. When y'all go through this school, read through this, go through our questions and answers for the hair art school and the Mobile Salon school. When you click on it, it'll actually show you the answers to these questions, most commonly asked questions, because a lot of people ask a bunch of questions when it comes to the schooling and mobile salons and how they work. You know, can they do it in their state? You know, how much can they make? How does it? Everything from, you know, the smallest little questions to, you know, can they do it? Do they advise them do it? All the way up to, you know, what happens if they get pulled over and they're working on a bus and they don't have paperwork to show for working on a bus while they're parked at a nightclub or parked at a concert or college or whatever. All of this stuff is answered in the school, so you do not want to miss out on that. Like I said, for 100% satisfaction, 100% guaranteed. We stand behind our products, so it's the real deal. All right, and then some more scroll pictures and everything. Make sure you go through this stuff and take a look at it, because we get tons of questions on the schools and how it works, especially this little unit here, the Mobile Salon license or the Mobile Salon Operator's License. This is what we issue through the Mobile Salon Network. When you pass this course, you will get a Mobile Salon Operator's License. This is what you show to the police when they pull up. This is what you show to your customers to let them know you're a professional, you know what you're doing. All of that stuff, this is what this school is for, is to teach you what you need to know for the mobile salons, and then you get your Mobile Salon Operator's License. As well as the hair art course, you'll get your hair artist license, and that's gonna take effect as soon as you pass the course and show that you know what you're doing when it comes to hair art designing, even hair art advertising. You'll get your hair artist license that you can show to your customers and show to your prospective celebrities or companies that you want to work for and advertise their brands for. The license is what you'll show them. So very influential people. This is a game changer. This thing is happening, and it's happening now. That's the end of the page, by the way. We're going to scroll back up to the top, and in our next video, we're going to go into the different pages and show you all about how to sign up and what all is detailed out in the courses. Do not miss it. You're going to love it. Make sure you stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. We got tons of videos that are coming out, and if you're in the industry and you want to learn more about hair art and mobile salons, this is the place you're going to be able to get it. We have our hair art channel coming out, the television channel that's going to be coming out. You don't want to miss it. We got the mobile salons that's going to be rolling out. We got the hair art advertising that's kicking it. It's people, you don't want to miss this. Stay tuned and make sure you stay up on it, and definitely sign up, pay your little money, because it's just an investment. It's an investment in yourself. So don't get cheap and start talking about you're going to hold off and see what happens and all that. That's what makes people stay behind. Spend your money, get in here and invest in yourself. You're not going to regret it. You're going to make your money back. It's guaranteed. Okay, you can't fail on that. So definitely join up, sign up, and get on board, because we're moving this thing. All right, stay tuned for the next video. This is video number 1. We're going into video number 2 in just a moment. Thanks a lot. I'm Ronnie Mac with the Hair Art Network, Shops Salons Network, and the Mobile Salons Network. See you guys in just a moment.